In this episode of Garage Idiots, we did a lot of stuff.
We welded in tabs for the windshield. Voila! I stole a hood prop from a BMW for the windshield, and I cut a tire in half to use as a body mount, and Dennis tries to kill me with light bulbs.
3, 2, 1.
It's okay. I'm alright. Okay, in this video, we're doing bug stuff. That was a brain break from working. Watching me take this body on and off? How do you think I
All these tabs are welded in. Along with my own thinking, a lot of you guys said we should put a bar right there in the middle. I don't really know what to use for that, but I was thinking a hood prop would be sweet. I bet that has... We're making progress. So I figured we'll get like a vacuum line, cut a seam down the middle, and then wrap that around. On the back side of all these, it's hard to see because of the reflection, because we have a windshield. There's some rubber grommets on the back side to kind of cushion it, make up for some space. And then we want to do a trim around here. on the channel for a while. This is the old deck lid from when this was a kind of normal bug with a GSR twin turbo setup in the back of it instead of what we currently have now, which is a K-series single turbo. Still really idiotic, but different. Now, the point that I'm getting to is when I drilled these holes, these were for the wastegate dumps. It was a really cool setup. I'll throw a picture in right here. But when I drilled these holes, people were furious. The Volkswagen purists were very mad that I did this to this specific deck lid because this is a desired deck lid. What I'm about to do is they're gonna want to hurt me very badly. Bodily harm, emotional pain, call me names.
Pretty sick.
Where does one get metal mesh? Why would you put those there? I'm bleeding. You're such an idiot. So these parts were brought to me like this. I asked if you trust the paint or do I need to take it down to raw plastic? He said I trust the paint. This is why prep work is important.
At this point involving the tire, you should be asking yourself two things. What is he doing? I don't know what else you should be asking yourself, but two things sounded better than one. My theory and idea slash despotism, is that a word? Sorry, I'm really tired. Today was my first day of getting here. I got here at 6:20 and it's now 8:00 something and I have not left. I've been here all day. So anyways, so we need some cushion for mounting the body, right? We need to space the back up about an inch. We're using the tire to mount the body as cushion, like a big hard pillow, because we want the bug to sleep good when it's not trying to kill me. So that's what we're doing. As most of you know, I'm a measure once, cut 6 times type of person, and I did this good on accident. So we wanted to raise the rear of the bug 1 inch. If you look at that fat cushy spot right there where most of the, you know, that's gonna fold in, but that's our girth right there. I couldn't have planned that better if I tried. Booyah. Got holes drilled out in them, got these two both matching with holes. So now we're gonna put the body on again. Body's back on. The next part of this process is going to be getting the body perfectly centered side to side, front to back on the chassis, which is going to take a lot more time than I have. So that's the end of this video. T-shirts will be here in a week and a half. They look like this and like this. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next week.